What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're looking at AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio by adding some healthcare/drug manufacturer stocks, this is the one for you. It has a great dividend. Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. All right, here we are in the web platform of Robinhood. We're going to go over my position first. I'm currently have 6 shares at an average cost of $85.03. It's approximately 13% of my portfolio. I'm currently up almost 15% or $76. And this stock did not exactly what I expected it to after I got in it. I wanted it to kind of hover around at the price that I got in and maybe go down some so I could make my position larger, but that didn't happen. They came out with great earnings and the stock shot up $12. Didn't see it coming. It's a good surprise, but I do see a possible pullback coming, and we'll talk about that when we get into the Thinkorswim platform and look at resistance and support and everything like that. But first, we're going to go over into the recent news and some charts. So stay tuned. All right, the most recent news is going to be AbbVie reporting stellar earnings. What I mean by stellar is they beat on the top and bottom, and they gave good guidance for 2020. So AbbVie reported quarterly earnings of $2.21 per share, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of $2.19. So they beat on EPS by 2 cents. This was a 16% increase over earnings of $1.90 per share from the same period last year. AbbVie also beat on revenue, coming in at $8.704 billion, with the consensus being $8.7 billion. This is a 4.8% increase over sales of $8.3 billion in the same period last year. So AbbVie beat top and bottom, and they gave good guidance for the next year. AbbVie also included fiscal year 2020 EPS guidance above analyst estimates and sales. AbbVie sees fiscal year 2020 adjusted EPS $9.61 to $9.71 versus the $9.48 estimate and sales growth at 8%. So they are definitely looking to have a good 2020, or at least a good start to 2020. AbbVie shares were trading up 3.2% at $90 in Friday's pre-market session. The stock has a 52-week high of $91.99 and a 52-week low of $62.66. Well, that 52-week high of $91.99 is no longer there. This was an article that came out right after they did earnings. So now we're going to jump into some charts just to show you where AbbVie ranks when it comes to the drugs they have. Okay, here you see a chart for top drug sales of 2018. And as you can see, AbbVie is at the very top with Humira, raking in almost $14 billion in 2018. And I think I've seen numbers that it's actually higher. It's more like 19, closer to $20 billion in 2018. And their drug Humira treats rheumatoid arthritis, chronic plaque psoriasis, Crohn's disease, and a few other diseases out there. But the main thing is it makes AbbVie lots of money, and it's been the #1 drug for the past 2 years. So we're going to go ahead and jump over into Finviz and look at this great dividend. Okay, here we are in Finviz.com, the best free stock screener available. We're going to go and scroll down and get to the numbers that we need. This stock has a 4.83 dividend yield. Now, I know
The thumbnail says over 5%. And when I made that thumbnail, it was over 5%, but the stock shot up so quick, the dividend yield came down, and it is what it is. Still a great stock, a great company, and we'll go ahead and get back into it. The dividend is $4.72. That's per share. So if you divide that over 4 quarters, it's roughly about $1.18 per share per quarter. Very, very good. And we can look over here at the target price. Finviz actually has a target price of $95.25, which is actually below what the stock is right now, which may be leading to why I think there's going to be some sort of a pullback, just looking at the chart. So we're going to look at these initiations, upgrades, and downgrades, and then we're going to jump over to Thinkorswim. So December 26th, reiterated Cowen outperform. January 7th, initiated RBC Capital sector perform. February 6th, initiation Mizuho, I think that's how you say that. They rated it a buy. And as you can see, there's a lot of upgrades here, especially into about midway through 2019. Lots of upgrades, neutral to buy, neutral to overweight, underperform, peer perform. So the general consensus is that AbbVie is going to do well in the near future. So now we're going to go ahead and jump over to Thinkorswim and see where this stock really may be headed. Okay, here we are in the Thinkorswim platform. This is a 1-year chart, and we're going to point out the obvious real quick. Back in August of 2019, the stock hit a low of 62.66, and right now it is at the high of 97.86. And that was on the 12th of February. So that was today. So let's go ahead and try to figure out where this stock may be headed. So I'm going to take this high right here. Now, some people are charting this different, but I beg to differ. So I'm going to take this high. We're going to run it up straight right up here. About right there. So, and this is going to create a channel. So we're going to take this low right here, bring it straight up. So you can see that this stock, since hitting this high right here and this low, is trading in this channel. Some people are taking this back here. I don't agree with it. I think this is the channel that it's in, and this is how close it's getting to the resistance in that channel. The top resistance in that upward channel is getting really close, and I think within the next few days it's going to hit resistance and pull back, probably to right in this area right here, which I think is probably about where it should be trading at right now. I think they did have good earnings and everything like that, but I think the whole market is trading extremely high right now, and it is kind of scary. I mean, it's like this market won't stop for anything, and there's stocks in particular like Apple, Micro, they are just screaming high. So I would be very wary of buying this stock up here, because I think it's going to hit resistance right around, probably as it gets right at 100, right when it gets to this line right here, which could take a dip, come back. I think it's going to hit it and it's going to pull back significantly. But I mean, who knows for real, but there was a lot of support right here. So this would be logical. And this would still keep it in this channel right here. Now, I do think the stock is going to continue to go up, but I think the whole market, including this stock, needs to take a breath, pull back some. It's scaring me. So that's going to conclude this video. If you like the content, subscribe, hit that like button, because it helps so good. It gets my content out to more and more people, and that's what I want to do. And also smash that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.